In the last video, we have seen how to configure Supabase and how to connect it with the Next.js. In this video, we will see how to create migrations. So whenever we create models into our schema file, that is the schema.prisma file, then how we can update the database, sync the database using the migrations. So let's get started. And because we need these migrations, because whenever somebody else is working on the project, then you can pull the project from the GitHub and just run migrations, and the tables and the changes will be automatically updated. So let's get started. And what we will do is we will create one more migration. Okay, we will create one more model, that is the post model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my terminal here. So I'm going to run a terminal. Okay, and then I'm going to type here open code. So I'm using this AI tool just to create some models here. Uh, I'll just say, so you can download this. This is a free version. It has a free version and limits. So what I'm going to say in my schema.prisma file, create me a post model. So I'm going to create another table here so that I can show you how to do the migrations and how the database will be updated into the Supabase. So you can see it created me one model over here. So I'm going to put this down here, and you can see a post model has been created. And now if I go to my Supabase, you can see there are no tables created here. Right? So now next what we are going to do is we are going to run migrations. Okay. So let's open a terminal here. Okay. And let's create a migration here. Okay. Okay. And what we will run this command, and the name we will give is create. Okay. We will give the name as create transactions and post. Okay. So we will run this migration over here in Prisma, and this will take some time. So it will run the migration, and you can see that the migrations have been created. Okay. So if I reload this now, you can see that I have posts and transactions table. So here we have created a new migration successfully. So what in the code, if we go to Prisma migrations, you can see that this migration is there over here. So it created this migration, Postgres migration. Okay. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new table. So I'm going to say create me table users. Okay. So this will create me a dummy table for the users. So I'm running this AI tool, and then to create a new model for me. So you can see a new model has been created here. Now what we will do is we will run another migration. So we will go ahead here, and we will run create users table. So now if we run this, so this will also take some time, and then we can see another migration has been created, that is the create users table. And if we go to our database now, you can see that the users table is now existing. So this is how we create migrations and connect to the database. Okay. So if you have any queries, just put it into the comments, and I will reply to them.